Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
A new health problem is spreading out extremely fast. Moms and dads, be mindful. Parents should be very careful since this health issue, which affects the hands, feet and mouth on babies and children younger than 5, is an infectious health problem caused by different viruses. The reason why it affects youngsters is because they don't have a well-developed resistance. Nevertheless, both bigger children and adults can be also affected. In America, people usually get this infectious disease on their hands, feet and mouth in spring, summer and autumn. Why is it called the hand, foot and mouth illness? The reason why this disease is called the hand, foot and mouth illness is due to the eruptions that do not sting and are discovered on the hands. HFMD is a varied infection of the infection of livestock, sheep, and is called foot and mouth illness. Even though this disease doesn't originate from domestic animals, it can be spread through direct individual contact. The first week of the infection is the most contagious one since the contact with the affected person impacts the saliva, the nose and the liquids through a few of the damages blisters. Signs of the hand, foot and mouth disease. The major symptoms of this disease are headaches and the absence of hunger. Moreover, people also experience pain in the legs and feet, and some of them also experience an eruption of really little blisters on their hands, feet and around their mouth. Unfortunately, when you press or touch the blisters, you can feel an agonizing pain. They are rather noticeable.